Hi everyone. So in this video we will answer all the things related to the Google AdWords e-commerce shopping that can be implemented from the Google AdWords conversion action. So basically we have been asked this question quite a lot, that how we can add in the e-commerce revenue tracking on a Shopify website from the Google AdWords conversion tracking. So let's get started. So first thing first, we need to go to the Google AdWords account. So I can just guide you through. You can see on my screen that first of all we need to create a conversion action to track the revenue for each sales. So this is how we need to do. First of all, just click on the button create conversion action, and then we need to select the first one, that is the website online sales, and then we can just put our own domain name over here and then press the scan button, and there we can just add a manual conversion action. So here we just need to select purchase, and then we can just give it a name. The name can be like Google Ads Purchase. Now the most important thing is the value. In the values section we should be selecting the second option, that is use different values for each conversion, and that's all for now. We can just click on done, and then we can just click on save and continue. Click on done. So now this is the conversion action which we have set up. So now we need to go to this conversion action and install the tag yourself. There are two things that we need to note from here. So one is the conversion ID and then one is the conversion label. So now we can go to our website, that is Softtrix.com, and then at the bottom we have the link for Shopify conversion code generator. So we just need to click on this link and then the tool will open. So now we need to enter a couple of information from the conversion action that we have just created. So like enter conversion ID. So we just need to copy from here, enter in this tool, and now we need to copy the label, and then we can just enter it in this section, and then we can just click the button get your conversion tracking code. So now this is the code. So now we can just click on copy to clipboard. So now this code is copied. We can now go to the Shopify, and then we need to click on the settings in the lower left corner, and then we can just click on the customer events. There we can just click on the button that says add custom pixel. So we can give this pixel name anything that we like. It does not have to be the same one as the Google AdWords conversion action, so you can pick any name that you like. And purchase pixel, and then we can just click on add pixel. In this box we can just copy paste the code which we have generated like this, and then there is a button at the top that shows save. Just click on the save button, and then just need to click on the connect button. So now when this is done, then that means the conversion tracking is set up, for the Google AdWords conversion action. So now you don't really need to rely on the Google Analytics 4. So you can just use the inbuilt conversion action from Google AdWords. Thank you for watching the video.